So what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an install on my new spoiler that I got. It's the 2013-2014 GT500 spoiler. So what I'm going to do first is spray some Boo Gun all over the leftover residue so that way we can rub it off real easily. I wanted to show you guys, it's currently 94 degrees out here. It feels like 103. It is hot. There you go. So for the 3M tape, I bought the wrong one. It was too thick. So I literally took a knife and I was cutting it as I was putting it down. So like I cut the 1 inch thick 3M tape into like 1/2 inch strips, and I just placed it section by section all around the spoiler. Right, don't put it down because I have to lighten these. Don't touch the right over here.
You put the nails on it or the screws?
I'll put them right now. Alright, so there you have it. Installed the GT500 spoiler on my car, and honestly it looks amazing. I love the way it looks. This is the one that I've been looking for a while. Another thing I did is I added this 5.0 badge. 5.0 badge on the back of the deck lid. It really cleans up the back end. And it looks really nice. So here's the whole look around. Honestly, this looks like a 2014 Mustang, but it's 2012. The rear end of this car really looks nice, and finally getting to customize it the way that I want to make it look. So once again, here's a look around of the back of the car. I've really focused my attention on modding the outside of the car on the rear end. As you can see, I did the louvers, my spoiler, the deck lid, the third brake light tint, and of course the tail lights. So the back end of the car looks very mean. I love the way it looks, but now I gotta put more attention to the front of the car. The only thing I've done to the front end of my car is put the tints on my headlights and the fog lights, and I just put the American Muscle decal up here in the windshield. So I got more things to do to the front end. I think my next modification is gonna be the hood. You know, I do want to get a whole new hood because this one does have a lot of damage. As you can see, it has a lot of paint problems all over here in the front end. When I first got the car, this was it was chipped off big time. So what I did for the meantime was I bought this paint filler from Walmart. And you get up close, you can really see the defects, you know, where it bubbles up and where I put in that paint filler, the touch-up paint, my bad. But when you walk off on the distance, honestly about a few feet away, you can't tell that I did anything to the paint. You know, you can't see it at all unless you come up here close. So for now, until I save up some money, that's how it's gonna be. But if I do get the hood scoop, I'm gonna get the hood repainted. So I'm gonna clear up all these defects that it has. Another modification I want to do is the grill. I want to take out the front grill. I know that I can delete the honeycomb grill here. It'll basically be a delete here, get rid of the pony, get rid of the honeycomb, and I want to see how that turns out. If it doesn't turn out how I like it, I'll just buy an aftermarket grill. But I still have a few projects for this car. You know, it's not how I want it. It's a work in progress. I've done a lot to the back end. I would say my last modification that I'm going to do would be the wheels, probably because it's going to be the most expensive one. But for now, these wheels will do. But there's a walk around of how the car looks. I just washed it yesterday. What I'm going to do today, later on when it cools off, is I'm going to polish the paint and apply a coat of wax to protect the paint. So we'll do that later on today, and I'll probably make another video on it, post it later on. But yeah, that's how the car looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you're stopping by for the first time, please subscribe. Likes and comments are really appreciated. Until next time, I'm out.